Hello everyone, today, we'll explore how to use multi-entry motion for 4x contours. We'll be working with the Carmel's Cut P550 machine. The process begins with selecting the surface geometries. Next, we proceed to entry motion settings, where we'll choose multiple entry motions. The geometry we create will be split into open contours. Once these selections are made, we'll move on to creating a wizard. In the wizard, you can directly access the required page, set the necessary parameters, and then calculate and confirm the settings. After this step, we'll create the stock for the part, choosing a cylindrical type stock. Once the stock is set, we'll calculate the proceed and move for the workpiece simulation. In the workpiece simulation, we'll use a transparent stock to enable full visualization of the cutting process. As the process begins, you'll see how the cutting progresses with each entry motion. The operation is carried out step by step. The first phase involves roughing, the second phase focuses on skimming, and the third phase is the final cut, which is also a skimming process. By following this workflow, you can efficiently use multi-entry motion for a 4x part. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates.